Hey, it's Sam. So today, as you see, I have my pickup truck right behind me, and you've probably seen the video where I explained the pickup kit that we've designed, but it's not the only thing that you'll need to go camping with your pickup. So today I'm going to show you the 5 essentials accessory that you need to be fully equipped. It's like the baseline. That's what you need to go camping with a pickup truck. Alright, so let's start with the first essential, and it's battery pack. It comes in every shape and size, like many things in the world. Right here we have the Blue AT 864 watt-hour, so it's plenty of energy, everything we need with this kind of camper solution. So the first thing I'm going to talk is how to recharge a battery. It comes with one cable, it's an AC cable. The fastest way to charge it is with the AC cable that comes with. Depending on the brand and the battery pack you have, it's going to charge under 2 hours, sometimes 4 hours. It really depends on the quality you're buying and the capacity of your battery also. So first way to charge. Second way to charge it is with MC4 cable. So you can connect it to a solar panel. The speed of charge really depends on your solar panel capacity and power output. So the bigger solar panel you have, the faster it's going to charge, and it also depends on the capacity of the battery, so it's always the same thing. And the third way to charge it, this way is a little bit slower. It's with the 12-volt socket of your car. So you plug it in, and while you're driving, I don't recommend to charge it with just the accessory on. You're just gonna drain your battery from your car, so it's not the way to use it. It's really while you're driving. It's not super efficient because the 12-volt socket output is not really good, but it's gonna do a little bit. So if you're going to drive 3, 4, 5 hours, it's gonna make a difference. We like this one because it has one 12-volt socket here. We have like the USB output right here, so we can charge cell phone, lamp, camera, whatever we need with this chargers. And here we have the AC, so if we have a laptop or anything that absolutely need AC, we can charge it here. And that's pretty much it. With this one, you can connect it to another one, which is really, really nice. Yeah, I don't have anything more to say about this product. Let's start about the second essential. It's a fridge, a mini fridge, a car fridge. It can transform into a freezer, so this product is really great. It's made by Apicool, but this is just a brand, so we're gonna have the same product which is Van Life Wise. It's another product, but it's exactly the same thing, but with another brand on it. So the same product. This thing is really sturdy, well made. It's all metal everywhere. I've had one which is now 6-7 years old, and it's still working properly. It has a compressor in it, so that's really nice because it's using as less power as you can use while you're on the road. So this with the battery bank, depending on your size, you can be fully autonomous. So you don't need anything more to keep your food fresh. It can be set at any set temperature. So it can be a freezer. So let's say you go to some place, you go on a fishing trip or a hunting trip, and you have plenty of fish. You just pack it, and you start freezing your fish from the fishing spot. So it's really fresh when you arrive to your place, and you don't have to start freezing them right there and like put them in your freezer. You just transfer them and it's already frozen. In our pickup kit, it has been designed if you're traveling alone or if you're traveling too and you don't care and you don't want this extra space for your bed, you can put your fridge right here. So that's really nice because you have your fridge inside. You can cook from inside, and it's pretty convenient to have it here. Or you can put it at the second row seats. That's what we're doing. The third essential, I believe, is the upper cabinet. So to have the upper cabinet, you need the rails on top of your topper or truck cab. This is fixed with L-shaped bracket that is really fixed to the cap here. We use it to put like our books, crayons, anything we need handy, like close to our hands. And this also comes flat pack, so it's really easy to assemble. Once you assemble it, you put the bracket here and you fix it to the bracket. Super simple, as everything we do. We put also different stuff in this part, so we have everything we need for the day, like a toothbrush, vitamins, solar sunscreen, and everything we need here. So we put all packs like this, so it's very, very easy to access all our stuff. So we know which stuff is in every pack, so it's all stored here. We also use it to put our clothes for the next day, so it's why all this space is empty, so we don't have to go under the bed, and we have access right on top here. Those upper cabinet comes in pairs, and you can either put them side by side like I did, but this one can be right here or right there. So you can put two like this, or two like this, or two like this, or four. You have to choose where you want to put it. We like to put it on one side like this, so it's not too close, but I would say that if I travel alone or two without a baby, I would put two on each side, because it's a lot of storage that we have extra right there. It's also cool because we have these small lights that are magnetic, and they stick right here like that. So the fourth essential is the awning. It adds a lot of cover when it's raining or when the sun is blasting, so we really love this. This one is branded from Go Explore, and we sell them in our shop and on our website. So I'm gonna show you how we install it. It's super simple. Open it right here, just slide it there. This is the version for the pickup, but we also have one for the minivan, which is rectangular. This one is a 270 degrees awning, which makes a huge difference. So you can see, I just open up, slide it out, and I fix it right here on top there, and I tighten it. Like that. Once it's tightened, there is small legs here. That helps the water to drip outside, so it's not making pocket on top. If it's super windy, it comes with legs in every corner, and there is also cords that you can attach on the ground. So right now I can cook and do my stuff under the rain, no problem, and I can have access to my fridge and still be under the awning. There is also Velcro here, so there is some accessories with mosquito net or like full shading, so like this kind of material that goes down all around. So if you want to put a small shower or I don't know, a small bathroom, toilet, you can have that, and you have your intimacy. All right, and the number 5, you didn't expect this one, I guess, but it's absolutely essential. It's the truck topper, or the truck cap that goes over your truck bed, and that makes your inside a living space. So it's absolutely essential. You need this or you'll sleep under the stars. Your choice. The distributor we bought it from and that we have a partnership with is Fibrobec, a French company based in Montreal and in Quebec City. So it can be installed there, but you can buy it from us on our website. We have a partnership with them, and they're doing the installation by professional. First, you can see that there is a small bump here. It adds about 5 inches of space, of head space inside, so it makes a huge difference in the living area. You know, when you're buying a cap, just buy this one, it's way better. Inside, so it comes with one window in the back here, like this, so we have a window here, so we can see from the back. After that, it comes with 2 windows on each side, which is really nice because it comes with mosquito net. So you can open it and still have no bugs inside while you're sleeping. And it's the same on the other side, like this. So very nice. And last, right here, there is this window like this, which is locked. I'm gonna show you this. So we can lock it from the inside. We have a small device here that we've developed. So basically it's stop the locking system from the inside, so no one can open it from the outside while you're sleeping. It also comes with a light inside. You cannot see it, but it's blowing this way. So while you're opening your trunk, it's gonna light inside. And the last thing that we really recommend on this box is to have the carpet inside, because you can buy it without the carpet. We don't even sell it on a website without a carpet, because it's fiberglass and it's not nice. The feeling is really not finished. So we always take the one with the carpet inside. It makes a little insulation also, so it's really, really nice. And the last thing that we've added on this topper is right here, if you can see, there is rails, so we can fix things like the upper cabinet I showed before and the awning. So it's really nice to have this fixture here. So that's it about the topper. If you have any question, anything you want to know more about the few accessories I've talked today, which I believe are the absolute essential to go camping, write them in the comment. It will be a pleasure to answer you. So bonus! I'm gonna talk about the bonus essential. So if you're traveling with a kid, I believe this is very, very nice. So we've developed, so this is still a prototype, it's not perfect, but it's a small bed that we put right here. So I'm gonna show you. It's clipped here, like that, and it slides out, pook, like this. And because we have a baby, we have a net. Yeah, it's a net to make sure that he's not gonna fall on the other side. So it's just another platform that we put on top right here. We put a small mattress here, and it's a baby bed.